In today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how to add a gift card to your Apple Wallet here on your iPhone device so you can use Apple Pay features to pay seamlessly when getting to a specific vendor POS machine or Target or any place like that. You just need to get closer and then put your NFC or your phone close to the machine and you'll hear the beep that will resemble the payment taking place on your billing machine. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool tech hacks and tutorials. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, jumping straight into this tutorial in here, if you do have a card that looks like this, which says Visa or MasterCard or anything like that, then the process is quite simple. I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, if you do have a Target card, for example, or if you do have a specific Amazon gift card, or if you do have anything like that, that will become much difficult and almost impossible for you to link it in here. These are just the new regulations by Apple themselves where they've excluded gift cards from Amazon, eBay, Target, or anything like that, or Starbucks. You can only link Visa cards directly that represent as a debit card. Now, in order to link the Visa card, all you need to do is simply tap here on Wallet, right? So once you tap here on Wallet, you want to tap here on plus, wait for a couple seconds, and then you should be able to see the option in here to tap on debit or credit card. So you want to tap here on debit or credit card, and then you want to tap on continue. Next up, it's going to ask you to put the card here at the back in order for your phone to read all the details or to scan, right? Now, you may be in a situation where you do not have the physical card because you only have the digital card, right? So if that's the case, what you can do is simply tap here on enter card details manually, and you can start inserting all the detail of the card that you do have. For example, in our case would be this one right here, the number, the expiring date, and all the details, the CVV and all that. You should insert it in here, and then you'll be good to go, and you can now use your gift card normally. Now, if you are in a situation where you're trying to add the gift card and it's not allowing, for example, by any instance, you may be in a situation where you're facing this issue where you see this error in here which says add cards to wallet, to add cards, keys, tickets, and passes to wallet. Look for the add to wallet button in apps, emails, and websites. And then you've got in here a basic learn more simple button that when you tap on it, it takes you straight to Apple support website with a bunch of information in here that you can only see like this without any specific detail. If you are in this situation or facing this error while trying to add, do not worry, I'm going to show you how to fix this and get rid of this problem as well. Now, essentially, what this says is that you are actually in a region where you're unable to use this system or this specific technology of using your phone to pay cards which are linked, okay? So first step, I would recommend you to hop into settings, go down all the way to wallet down here, tap on wallet, and then simply tap here on add card under payment card. So you want to give it a try, tap on add card, and see if this essentially works for you or not. If the error persists, no worries, simply tap on cancel, go back once again, and then go up all the way to general down here, and then you want to tap on general, scroll down all the way to language and region. You want to tap on language and region, and next up you want to tap here on region. Now essentially what you need to do is change your region to a specific region that will allow you or accept this type of payment method. Now it's important for you to double check that you are actually going with the laws and regulations of your specific country, because I'm not responsible if you're using a feature that is not officially allowed in your country or not. Now this is just for showcase purposes because you may be in a wrong region and you just want to switch to the correct region. Okay, so for example, in our case in here, we'll be going with the UK real quick. Let me keep my English US keyboard, and in a few seconds my phone will set the new region as the default region. There we go, it's now setting, and now it's set. Next thing, I'm going to close this, and then I'm going to reopen wallet, and now let me quickly try to add my card, and voila, now it allows me to add my card because I've changed my region. I can now link my card and start using it. right? Because it's allowed in this specific region. Now, if you're still unable to add a card over there, even after changing the region, what I would recommend you guys to do is to perform a forced restart here on your iPhone, because you may be in a situation where you've changed the setting, but your iPhone didn't update or process yet with the new configurations that you've done. So all you want to do in here is perform a forced restart, and in order to perform it on an iPhone 8 or later models, all you want to do is rapidly tap on volume up and then down and then press and hold the power button. Now this needs to be quickly so your iPhone understands you're actually forced restarting it. Keep on pressing the power button, do not release it, do it for 6 to 7 or 8 seconds, and as soon as you see the Apple logo on your screen, you want to release the power button and let your iPhone turn on normally. Now your iPhone has just rebooted as if it's coming from a deep sleep, and now it's restarting real quick. Now if you do have an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, in order to perform a forced restart, all you want to do is press and hold the volume down along with the power button. You want to press and hold both of the buttons combination for approximately 6 to 8 seconds. Once you see the Apple logo, you're going to release both of the buttons combination. Now if you do have, for example, a much older iPhone device with a physical home button in here, all you want to do is press and hold that physical home button along with the power button until you see the Apple logo, and then you're going to release both of the buttons combination. Now please note that in much older iPhone devices such as an iPhone 5 and iPhone 4, the physical home button is usually located here at the top. So in order to perform the forced restart, you'll have to press and hold the home button along with the button there at the top until you see the Apple logo, and then you're going to release both of the buttons combination. This is how it goes. Now once this is done, you want to reopen a wallet application, try linking that specific card and see if it's sorted out. Okay, also give it a try here from settings, scroll down all the way to wallet or wallet and Apple Pay, and then tap on Apple Pay details in here, or simply tap on add card and give it a try from here as well to see if it's now working or not. This should fix the problem that you've got, and I hope you are now rocking and roll here with your gift card linked to your Apple Wallet. If you do have any question or doubts, please let me know down in the comment section so we can discuss further. I would like to deeply thank all of you guys for supporting the YouTube channel Fixed by Shaq, where my main aim in here is to help all of you guys fixing tech-related issues without spending money, without paying for a technician to a local engineer or anything like that, because in most cases you can actually fix all these issues or most commonly faced issues by your own at your home. Okay, so my aim is to help you guys with tech-related content. Thank you for supporting. We've just hit 50,000 subscribers, and all this wouldn't be possible without your support in here. By subscribing, by liking, you actually keep me going, and this really helps me out so I can reach out to more people and consequently help more people facing the same problem as yours. My aim in here is to grow the channel as much as I can so I can reach out to more people, and of course, as I've just said, help out more people here with tech related issues. But of course, it's not easy to do it alone. This is a community. I want you guys to stay here with me, interacting in the comment section within the community tab as well, by visiting the community in here so we can actually interact every single day. And if you have any doubt or any question by any means, feel free to leave it down in the comment section so I can actually reply to you as soon as possible. I really appreciate your help, and I hope we can actually reach 200k subscribers real soon. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.